Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Well, this morning I'm up at the hide. I've just got here. I had to fill all the feeders up, which are obviously outside scattered about with the woods and stuff, and we're hoping to get some nice woodland birds. Hey, I've got two cameras on the go. I've got my photography camera, hopefully I'll get some nice shots with. That's the R6 Mark II with the 1:500 R lens on, and then I've got this little baby here, which is the R50 with a 70-200 lens on, and I'm hoping to get some B-roll footage with of the birds interacting with each other and doing stuff. So, hey, let's crack on. See you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back. So, woodpecker's bin. Got one or two nice little images of the woodpecker. Bit far off, but nice enough. We do have a problem with these things. Let me see if I can just focus on this. That just run off. We do have a bit of a problem with the squirrels, in fairness. They take all the nuts. If you've got nuts and stuff out, they take everything, so you sort of have to keep your eye on it and get out and fill them up again and stuff like that. But at least the woodpecker's been. We've got one or two small bird shots, coal tit, blue tit, great tit. Yeah, it's not been wasted. It's been a pretty good morning. He's here again. See if I can just take his picture. I'll put that up. Anyway, speak to you later. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, just had my lunch. Cheese wrap, bag of crisps, piece of cake. Never with that. Never with that, is there? Anyway, yeah, still lots of little birds about. Woodpecker not been back, but hey, you know what I mean? It's a lovely little hide, this is. I mean, I was really lucky to get invited to use it, but it's a bit chilly today, although I haven't got my coat on, but it is a bit chilly. Hey, see you in a bit, eh? See you in a bit. Not a lot happening, to be fair, at the moment. When you're photographing small birds, it's interesting because what happens is you have periods where they're coming in, lots of birds are coming in and feeding. And it goes quiet for about 20 minutes, and they're just starting to come back now. There's a coal tit just come in, so they'll all start to come back in a minute and start feed again for another frenzy, then they'll disappear. Anyway, see you in a bit. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. Been a bit quiet actually. Yeah, I've heard lots of birds. I've got lots of birds on the app telling me that they're here, the red-polled goldcrest. You know, even the barn owl I've heard. And lots of the little woodland birds are normal, but there's not a lot of action at the moment. But everything's filled up, so I've only been here about an hour, so we'll see how things go. And then I'll come back and let you know. I'll be seeing you. Hi guys, welcome back. I've only got about half an hour left before I have to head off and start losing the light. But it's not been a bad day, in fairness. It's not been a bad day. I'm sure I've got one or two nice images I can put up. I'll put them up through the bits of the video, obviously. I'm not going to put them all up at the end. But I'll put one or two up at the end that you can see. I'll probably give you another shout just before I go. But as for now, hey, well, crack on for another half hour and then I'll say me goodbyes then, if that's okay. Listen, if you like what I do, just click like and subscribe. It all helps. I'm desperately trying to build my following without much success, but hey, you can't have everything in life, can you? But it's a bit chilly, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, welcome back. So, coming to the end of the shoot. I've been here for 3.5-4 hours. It's been cold, but it's been bright. We've had some nice light, and I've quite enjoyed myself, to be fair. Now I've got a real treat coming for you early in January. I'm going to the Kingfisher Hide at Staffordshire Heights, and I'll do a video from there, and I'm hoping to get some nice footage and obviously some good images, so look out for that one. Anyway, click like and subscribe if you feel the urge. If you don't, that's also fine, and tell you what I'll do, speak to you next time. Hey, have a wonderful Christmas, all the very best for the new year. And just remember, if you're driving home, watch you don't fall off the settee. Some of you'll get that, some of you won't. Have a see you next time. Bye for now.